Hey guys, this is Harry with UBR Tech, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a review of the Tactile Turn Bolt Action Pen. So there's the titanium, this is the standard size, this is the 5.6, and this is the mini, which is copper and 4.4 inches. This one right here is another copper one. It hasn't been used yet, so I'm going to unbox it and show you what it looks like. So it comes in a box like this. So this is what the copper pen looks like before it becomes patinaed, compared to this one. This is the one I've been using. So I don't know if it's actually coming up on camera, but this one is much dingier. This one's really nice and shiny. So the only difference when you get yours in the mail is this one will be in a plastic wrap, vacuum sealed, so it doesn't patina on its way to you. So let's put that one aside, and we'll go over some of the things that I like and the things that I don't like. I like that they do give you some options as far as like the different types of material. It's available in titanium, copper, and brass, and also zirconium. The prices are all the same no matter what size you get. So if you get this size versus this size, it's still $99. The only one that's different is the zirconium one. I think that's like over $200. You could have them customized too, so you can get customized engraving like Shelly did right here. You could also, this bolt right here could be, I think they call it Damascus titanium. So basically it's a different type of bolt, and it's like got like a purplish bluish color. If you're familiar with Damascus, it has like the different layers of titanium. So let's go over the weight of each one of these so you can see how much they weigh before I continue with the things that I do like about the pen. Okay, so the titanium, and this one, like I said before, is a standard 5.6, so it's 1.2 ounces. And then the copper mini, 1.8. So even though this is smaller and shorter, it's still weighs more. Both of the clips are titanium. I would assume all of them come with titanium, even the zirconium. But the clip I like, it's actually really easy to put in your pocket. The mini especially is very pocketable. You can put it in your pocket and not even have to worry about, like, you know, feeling it's not too bulky. One of the features that I really like, because I'm a very heavy writer, is the tip here. As you can see, there's really not much room between the tip and where the actual pen starts. It doesn't move. Like you could see if I'm pushing in here, there's no movement at all. So because I'm a heavy writer, when I push down, there's really no flex, and it just feels nice when you're writing. The bolt action on the pens are very nice. It's really smooth, it's fun. The only thing is, like, you just get addicted to actuating the pen. It's really fun, so that's another plus. So the price of the pens, it's $99. I think you're getting more than your money's worth. The pen is very sturdy and built very well. So again, $99 isn't bad. And to make things even better, if you are a first-time buyer of their pens, so you give them your email address because you're signing up for their mailing list, and they give you a certain percentage off of your first purchase. The details of the pen is what really makes it feel like it's worth it. Like if you look at the way that this this clip is constructed, it's actually built inside the pen. There's no, plate that's between these two pieces. It's literally built into the pen. The bolt action is very, very smooth. Just feels nice. For me, it feels like the perfect curvature when you're going to grip on the pen. It just feels nice because it tapers down, and it has that nice, I don't know, it just feels really good. It's not too big, not too small, down to the tip. The texture on the pen is really nice too. I don't know if you could see it, but it's almost like rivets, etched into the pen. And that actually gives you a better grip while you're writing. The pen does not slip at all. So when you're trying to actuate the bolt, it feels like it's sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere. When you push down, the action is really smooth, and then it also, the rivets in here kind of help it from slipping out of your hand. The other thing that's really cool about the rivets that are into this pen is that it actually covers where the pen unscrews, which to me, that's crazy. You tighten this up and that line just disappears. It's pretty nice. And it just goes to show you how much workmanship went into this pen. The way they built this pen, to me, makes it feel like they want this to be like an heirloom that you could pass down to your kids. It's very, very solid, built like a tank. So those are all the things that I really like about the pen. If I had to point something out that would be like, not a negative, but just something that I would say that they could have fixed, is just the separation here. The inserts that they use for this pen, they're okay. I think this one here is a G2 Pilot. This one I think is a G2 Pilot as well, but the site gives more information about what replacements you could use for this pen. They don't really give you much information for replacements for the Mini. So I would say that's something that would be helpful if they gave you a little more information about what you could replace the inserts for the Mini. The one thing about the insert, it does write nice, it dries fast, but the only thing is the ink will smear if you get it wet, even after it's been dried. So as far as the inserts go when you're writing with them, I enjoy the one that it comes with, the Pilot G2. It feels nice and smooth. I enjoy it. Now Shelly, on the other hand, she has a Pilot G2 on this as well, but she doesn't really like the smoothness. She likes a little drag when she's writing with her pens, a little more friction. And because she's got the larger one, she can go on the website and see the different refills that she could use for this pen. It's nice because she has options. But the good thing is that I do like the smoothness of this insert, and I don't really have to search that much for a replacement. I just basically stay with the same one. So just to show you how the refill comes out. This is the refill. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. G2 Pilot. There's a spring in there. Okay. Do the same thing for the Mini. Basically almost the same, just a smaller insert. Pilot. Doesn't say G2, but from what it said on the website, pretty sure this is a G2 insert. So the only other thing, like I said, I could nitpick on this is just the action is very loud. If you just let it slam forward, it's loud. So if you are the kind of person that fidgets with their pens, and if you're in a meeting and you're constantly doing this, people will get annoyed pretty quickly. That is a real nitpick. You know, you don't obviously have to do that. I honestly don't have much to say that's bad or negative about these pens. I really, really like them. I'm so glad that I bought one. The other thing I could say and talk about shortly is the customer service. Anytime I had a question, even before I purchased it and even after I purchased, if I had a question, I reached out to the guy through the email. He responded very quickly within like a day or so. And the other thing too is they have a pretty good warranty on their website. They don't really say you have like a lifetime warranty, but they say pretty much within reason, as long as you're not doing anything to destroy the pen, they are willing to help you out and try to make it right to fix whatever issues you may have. And they're not coming out and saying, hey, they're going to replace anything that goes wrong with this pen, but they're willing to help out if there is like a manufacturer's defect. And it doesn't say like, hey, it's only for 2 years or it's only for 1 year. It seems like they're flexible. And the dealings that I've had with the guy over email, he seems like very nice and easy to work with. So in summary, I would say that if you are in the market for one of these pens and you are considering getting a tactical turn bolt action pen, I would say that it's definitely a buy. So the one thing I wanted to make note of is if I had to do this all over again, I would not have purchased the copper version. And the reason why is because as soon as you pick this thing up, your hands smell like copper. It smells like a penny. And it's, you know, it's strong. You know you've been handling a copper pen. I would have gone with the titanium version. It's lighter. It doesn't have that smell. It's just, again, it's nice. Not saying I regret getting this one. I still love this pen, but just wanted to make note if I had to do it all over again, I would have went titanium. But if you are in the market for any of their pens, I would definitely recommend getting them. It's totally worth the money. Just do it. You won't regret your purchase. So that's the review of the Tactical Turn bolt action pens. Okay guys, if this video was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you have any questions, put it in the comments. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one.